Hello kids, Shubha Mangalam. Welcome to Little Scholars High School. This is Cheryl here, and today we are going to do topic is more and less. Okay, and the class is LKG. Our subject is math, and the page numbers is 60 and 61. So more or less. What is the meaning of more? What is the meaning of less? Now example, if I take I'll just show you. So suppose if I have, these are the pins, okay. Can you see here? Let's count now. Okay, I'll give some to another child. Okay. Now we'll count this one. That is, how many pins does Reena have? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Reena has how many pins? 7 pins. Now how many pins Rita has? We'll count. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So Rita has 3 pins and Reena has 7 pins. So who has more pins? It is Reena. Why? Because she has more than 3 pins, right? This is less. Rita has less pins and Reena has more pins. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many pins Reena has? 7 pins. How many pins Reena has? 7. And how many pins Rita has? Is 1, 2, 3. That means Rita has less pins and Reena has more pins. So how many pins Reena has? She has 7. That is more than Rita. Okay, this is the meaning of more. Like that, chocolates also. Suppose if you have 4 chocolates and your brother or your sister has 2 chocolates, that means you have more than your brother. Okay, so here what it is we need to do is tick the vase with more flowers. That means the vase which has more flowers. Now we have 2 vases over here with flowers. Let us count the one which has more flowers. Okay. So let us count the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many flowers this vase has? 8 flowers. So we'll write 8 here. Now how many tulips are there in this vase? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. So which one has more? Which flower vase has more? Is this one, right? The purple flowers are more than the yellow flowers. So here we will take the red color vase which has purple flowers. And how many flowers it has on its vase? It has 8 flowers. And how many flowers are here? That is 5. That means we tick the vase which has more flowers. This vase had more flowers, right? Like the pins. So Reena had how many pins? 7 pins. How many pins Reena had? 7. And how many pins Rita had? Was 3. So which is more in this? Is it this one or this one? This is more. Reena has more pins. Like that, in the vase also, which vase has more flowers? Is the purple flowers. The red vase with purple flowers has more. It has 8 flowers and the tulip the vase with the tulip flowers is only 5. So it is lesser than the purple flowers. The purple flowers are more than the yellow flowers. Okay. Now the next one. What is the next one? Color the plate with less toffees. Now the plate which has less toffees, we need to color it. Okay. So I'm going to do a pencil shading. Now let us count. 1, 2, 3. How many are here toffees? 3 toffees. And let us count the down one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This has 6. So which is less? Which is the smallest number? It is 3. The plate which has only 3 toffees is small. That is lesser than the more toffees, okay? Than this plate, this is lesser. So we are going to color this one. So let us do the pencil shading for it. We need to color it, and as I told you children, you need to do the coloring neatly and use only one stroke. Do not let the coloring come out of the image, okay? So when you are doing it, do it slowly and neatly. So I am doing a pencil shading. Now pencil shading also, it is light color. You shouldn't do it very dark. Then only it will look really very beautiful, right? And what stroke I am using here? It is a sleeping line. What stroke? Sleeping line. So see, I am coloring the plate which has less toffees. Less means very little, okay? In number, when we count in number, this is lesser toffees than the other plate which has more toffees, right? And I hope you can see how I am doing the coloring. There shouldn't be any white shades in your picture when you are doing the coloring, okay? So we will complete this, and I hope you all can see it. So we have done the sleeping line. What line? Sleeping line. Our coloring was done in sleeping line stroke. We have used the stroke of a sleeping line, right? Done. So we have colored the plate which has less toffees. And which had less toffees? The above plate. This had 6 toffees and this is 3 toffees. So this is lesser than this one. This is more than this, right? The one which has more number of flowers is the red vase. And the plate which had less toffees is this one. So this had 8 flowers and this had 5 flowers, which is more than this one, right? This is more than this one. And this is lesser than this one. Less means the count number is very less, small number. It is a smaller number, bigger number, right? Now the next one. Count and write the numbers of each. Now each one we need to count and write. So how many hats are there? Let us count the hats. It is 1, 2. How many hats are there? 1, 2. So we'll write 2 in this box, right? Here we need to write 2. So let us write 2 over there. So how many hats are there? 2 hats. How many hats? 2 hats. And how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3. We'll do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons are there? 5 balloons. How many balloons? 5 balloons. How many balloons are there? There are 5 balloons. And how did we count it? We cut out each balloon so that our counting will be clear. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons were there? 5 balloons. Now, how many gift boxes are there? Let us count that. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many gift boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many gift boxes? 4 gift boxes. So we will write number 4, right? Number 4. So how many gift boxes were there? There were 4 gift boxes. Now how many glasses are there? 1, 2, 3. How many glasses were there? 1, 2, 3. So there were 3 glasses. So we'll write number 3 over there. Now once again we'll do this is more and less. So we are learning the topic of more and less. Now we'll do this. Now Reena has how many pins? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pins Reena has? 7 pins. And how many pins Rita has? 1, 2, 3. So which is more? Who has more pins? Reena. Who has more pins? Reena has more pins, right? Okay. Now here, tick the vase with more flowers. The vase which has more flowers. So let us count. How we'll do the counting? We can either cut or you can put a small line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry children, it was 10. Okay, we have counted wrong. 10 flowers. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flowers. Again a mistake. Okay. Let us count again. That's why I say we'll cut and count so that we can correctly count it. Okay. We'll do the counting again for this. We'll do the counting once again, children. Okay. So that will be correct in it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many flowers are there? 9 flowers. Not 10 but 9 flowers. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many flowers are there? 9 flowers are there. Why we say cut is, so that, see, we made a mistake, right? I made a mistake by counting because we did not cut it out. When we cut, we will remember the number. Okay, again, I'm doing it. Just watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many flowers are here? Purple flowers? 9 purple flowers. How many purple flowers? 9 purple flowers. Now let us count the tulip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was correct because we have cut and we have counted, right? So this vase, the purple vase has 5 flowers, which is less, and the red pot had 9 purple flowers. How many purple flowers? 9 purple flowers. The red pot had 9 purple flowers and the purple pot had 5 yellow flowers. That is lesser than the red pot. The red pot has more flowers. How much? It has more than the purple vase, right? Red vase had more than the purple vase. So we take the red vase. We take the red vase which had more flowers. Now here, the toffees. Color the plate with less toffees. Less toffees means like Rita. Rita had only 3 pins and Reena had 7 pins. So Rita had lesser than Reena. Reena's pins are less than Reena. Rita is lesser than Reena. That means Reena had more and Rita had less. So like that here, Rita had only 3 toffees and Reena had 6 toffees, right? So Rita had less toffees and we colored the plate with the less toffees. So how many toffees Rita had? Was 1, 2, 3. And how many toffees Reena had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Reena was more than Rita and Rita was less than Reena, right? And now here, what did we do here? Count and write the number of each. So each one, how many were there? What? Okay, example, the caps. How many caps were there? How many caps? Birthday caps were only 1 and 2. How many birthday caps? 2 birthday caps. That is 1 and 2. Now, how many balloons were there? Let us count the balloon. How many balloons were there? It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons? 5 balloons. And how many gift boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gift balloons. And how many glasses were there? 1, 2, 3. So this is a topic about more and less, right? So the vase which had more, we have checked that vase, and the plate which had less toffees, we have colored that plate. And then we have done counting of the items which were in the birthday party. We have done the counting of the items which were in the birthday party picture. Now the next one, page number 61. What it is? The heading count and write. That means we need to count and then we need to write the number. That is, count and write the correct number. So how do we count it? It is counted like this. Now, how many buses are there? How many buses are there? Let us count. 1, cut and count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many buses were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, why I am showing you to cut and count? So that you will not make a mistake like how I did first, right? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many buses were there? 6 buses. Now we'll write the number 6. Again, let us count. How many buses were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many buses were there? 6 buses. Now, how many cats are there? How many cats are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly you need to count. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, how do you count it? It is counted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how do you write it? 1, 0, 10. So how many cats were there? 10 cats were there. Okay. Now the next one. How many cupcakes are there? It is only 1 cupcake. How many cupcakes? 1 cupcake. How many more cupcakes are there? It's only 1 cupcake. So we'll write 1 over here, right? Now the next one. How many erasers are there? How many erasers are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many erasers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many erasers are there? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 erasers. How many erasers? 5 erasers. So write number 5 over there. Again, now how many crayons are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many crayons are there? 9 crayons. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many crayons are there? 9 crayons. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many crayons are there? 9 crayons. So we'll write the number 9. So they were 9 crayons. Again, let us count now. Count and write the correct number. So we'll count it again from first. This, how many buses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many buses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many buses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many buses are there? 6 buses are there. Once again, we'll do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many buses are there? 6 buses. There are 6 buses. How many cats are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many cats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 cats. Once again, we'll do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there are 10 cats. Now the next one. How many cupcakes are there? There's only one cupcake. How many cupcakes? One cupcake. How many cupcakes are there? There's only one cupcake. One cupcake. Now, how many erasers are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many erasers are there? 5 erasers. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many erasers are there? 5 erasers. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many erasers are there? 5 erasers. There are 5 erasers. Now, how many crayons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many crayons are there? 9 crayons. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many crayons are there? 9 crayons. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many crayons are there? 9 crayons. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many crayons are there? 9 crayons. Now, let us do the recap of this topic. Once again, we'll do it. Tick the vase with more flowers. Tick the vase with more flowers. The vase which has more flowers, we need to tick that. Now, in the red vase, how many flowers are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many flowers are there in the red vase? 9 flowers. How many flowers? 9 flowers. Again, we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many flowers are there? 9 flowers are there in the red vase. Now, how many flowers are there in the purple vase? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers are there? 5 flowers. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers are there in the purple vase. So which vase has more flowers? It is the red vase. The red vase has more flowers. How many flowers the red vase has? 9 flowers, which is more than 5 flowers, right? 9 is a big number and 5 is a small number. So 9 is more. So we take the vase which has 9 flowers, more than the purple vase. Now, color the plate with less toffees. The plate which has less toffees, we have to color that. And which plate has less toffees? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. And this plate has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is more. 6 toffees is more than 3 toffees. So which is less? It is 3 toffees is lesser than 6, right? Smaller number. So we colored the plate which had less toffees. That is how many toffees? 3 toffees. Which had only 3 toffees, we have colored it. So this plate has less toffees and this vase has more flowers. More flowers, less toffees. This is more and this is less. More flowers, less toffees. Now the next one. Count and write the numbers of each. So in this birthday picture, what are there? What are the things over there that we need to count and we need to write the numbers. So how many caps were there? That is 1 and 2. How many caps? 1, 2. How many caps were there? 1, 2. So there were 2 caps. And how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons are there? 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons were there? 5 balloons. Now, how many gift boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many gift boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 gift boxes. And how many glasses are there? 1, 2, 3. How many glasses are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 glasses. Now one more time we'll do the recap of count and write. Now how many buses are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 buses. How many cats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many cats are there? There are 10 cats. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many cats are there? There are 10 cats. Now, how many cupcakes are there? 1 cupcake. How many cupcakes? 1 cupcake. How many cupcakes are there? 1. And how many erasers are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many erasers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 erasers. Now, how many crayons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many erasers are there? 9 erasers. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many erasers? 9 erasers. So I hope you all understood this topic of more and less, and how many flowers were there, which vase was more flowers, that is the red vase, and which plate had less toffees was 3 toffees. And then we counted the caps, the balloons, the gift boxes and the glasses, and then we did the count and write of the correct number, right? So I hope you all understood the concept of more and less and count and write. So I want you all to practice it the same way so that you can remember it, children. Okay, while you're counting, always cut and count so that you cannot make a mistake in your counting. Okay, so I hope you all understood. Have a great day, children. Bye.